Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. The show is about to begin.
Edición del Superclásico del fútbol argentino.
You know that feeling when your phone breaks? It happened to me too. But instead of buying a new one, I decided to remake this one. I removed the broken display and back glass. Then I decided to give my iPhone a sleek upgrade by removing the cheap-looking grey plastic edge. I measured every detail for the new cover and designed the cover and mold.
Careful on the ladder if you go get it. Corporate double speak door menace. Hate to see your language so tormented. Tongues of the enemy. Split twist and flip scripts endlessly. I don't get it. Hard to see the pattern when you're so in it. Said I wouldn't settle in. I'm so minute. Might bend low.
Later, I printed the mold using PETG material.
I did do math out. I owe you. Say you owe me. Thinking of all of these reasons to leave.
With the mold printed, I smoothed the surface for easy unmolding by giving it a fine brushing.
Same number, same phone. Won't lose my luggage. You won't lose my love. If you need some, call me up. It's my new home.
Back at the design desk, where I sweat over hard formulas to get the right carbon and epoxy resin ratio. Just kidding, it's easy, we are not building a spaceship, and slight differences won't hurt you. Now let's assemble the mold for the next step. Yes, that's my logo, but we are making a cover for Apple. So we need the Apple logo, but not the fruit. This is much better. Now we can start the magic. After 24 hours of hardening, it's time to unmold. And yes, I greased the mold before to make this unmolding easy. But wait, there's a slight issue here. Check this out. How did I place the logo on the wrong side? Or was it on purpose? I removed the logo and leveled the cover from the other side on the lathe until the logo imprint showed there. Then I finished it manually. Now I put the logo back on the cover and glue it with epoxy and carbon. I brushed and painted the cover. Then decide to brush the old scratch frame to give the iPhone a brand new look. Finally, glue the cover back on the phone and you get this. If you want to see more amazing projects like this, subscribe to my channel for new projects.